I'm doing this for my baby curl. Okay, yeah, I'm leaving this off my edges so that I'll do the baby curl later. Yes, if in case you don't like baby curl, you can do it all back, and it's also going to be nice. Okay, but for me, I prefer baby curl. Okay, yes, makes me look good, so I like it. And I'm going in with this my curly hair. You can use any curly hair of your choice. This is my old curly hair, and I decided to use it. You can use any of your curly hair. So I'll attach this curly hair on my hair. Okay, yes. So I'm going to attach it with bobby pins. Make sure you have a lot of bobby pins. Okay, yeah. So watch me as I do, and I'll catch you guys up. One tip about this hairstyle is make sure it's looking a little bit messy, rough, Yes, yeah. So I'll be separating the excess ones to get the curly I want. Going with this bobby pins, make sure you have a lot of bobby pins to secure your hair. Okay, yes. So watch me as I do. I'm going ahead to separate the curl, yeah, to get what I want. Okay guys, so I'm going ahead to trim the excess part, yeah, so that will get it a little bit curly, yes, a little bit messy and all that. And that one also is going to make the hair look good. Okay, yeah, so make sure you trim. I'm going to trim the excess for it to look good on me. Okay. It's time for baby curl, my favorite part. Okay, yeah, I'm going with the same black gel for my edges. Okay, yeah, so let's go.